Di pa ako tapos, oh.
Ayan, tas mabilisan ang bihis na lang.
Pinapaalam ko na magsisimula na ang wedding ceremony in 10 minutes.
Uy,
Madali.
Where's Abby?
Tara na tayo.
Tapos na, kuya.
Bilisan tayo. Bilisan tayo.
Bye. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Day! Day! Lo, samahan mo kami, Lo.
Nung nagre-ready na po for the ceremony, kuya, talagang nagmadali ako, kuya, para magbihis, mag-ayos.
Ha?
Grabe yun,
Oo,
diba?
madalian talaga. Ang ganda ng gown, di ba?
Sino nga nakatawan na yan? OMG, hi boy. Think kami, we show that love
Yes, and you are all that I need. You are the sun, a gift of light. You are the moon, my comfort at night. You are the water that keeps me alive. You are the ground on which I stand. Yes, you are. Sa pagpatak, bawat oras ay ikaw. Iniisip-isip ko, hindi ko mahinto, pintig ng puso ikaw. Pinangarap-ngarap ko, simula nung matanto, balang araw ay iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso na lumbay ng kay tagal. Ngunit ngayon, nandito na ikaw, ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ng may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
Friends, we gather here today to share with Dudes and Mitch a very special moment in their life. Now they have decided to live their lives as husband and wife. Dudes, do you take Mitch to be your lawful wedded wife, to share your life openly, standing with her in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
Ay, do po.
Mitch, do you take Dudes as your lawful wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
Ay, do po.
Today, Dudes and Mitch stand before us to publicly declare their love. And Dudes, could you please state your own personal promises to Mitch?
Before you, I was childlike. Yung tipo na tao na walang patutunguhan. Maswerte ako kasi nakilala kita. You are God's answer to my prayers. And I want to thank you for bringing Eros to our lives. We may have bumps along the way. Some may not call it a traditional family, but I promise to make ours happy under any circumstances. I promise to love you and our son for the rest of our lives. I will be the best wife or husband or whatever you want to call me. But one thing is for sure, I will be your best friend and your partner forever. I love you.
Mitch, could you please state your own personal promises to Dudes?
Para sa aking pinakamamahal na misis na si Donalyn Ibanez Talaw. Nung una kitang nakilala, akala ko nung una, wala lang. Kasi nag-start lang naman yun sa simpleng pagpapapicture mo sa akin. Sa bawat araw, linggo at buwan na lumilipas, trinato mo ko bilang isang tunay na babae. Na sobrang nagpakilig talaga sa akin. Kasi feeling ko ang haba-haba ng hair ko. At dahil doon, unti-unti ding nahulog ang loob ko sa'yo. At naramdaman ko talaga na tanggap mo kung ano at kung sino ako at lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Alam ko sa sarili ko na wala na akong makikita na kagaya mo. Sabay tayong nangarap at bumuo ng isang masayang pamilya at nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil di niya tayo binigo at dumating sa buhay natin ang pinakamalaking blessing na dumating si Baby Eros. Kahit maraming taong mapanghusga sa paligid natin, hindi natin pinansin yun kasi ang importante, alam nating nagmamahalan tayo at walang sinasagasaan o tinatapakan tao. Ikaw ang nagpa-realize sa akin na hindi mahalaga ang kasarian, edad at estado sa buhay. Ang mahalaga, masaya tayo at nagmamahalan. Sabay tayong tatanda kasama ng magiging anak natin. Dahil ang pangarap mo ay pangarap ko din. Nangangako ko sa'yo na magiging mabuti akong asawa at mamahalin kita habang buhay. Teli naman.
And repeat after me. Mitch,
Mitch,
with this ring,
with this ring,
I seal my promise
I seal my promise
to be your faithful
to be faithful
and loving
and,
husband.
and loving husband.
Lord,
With this ring,
with this ring,
I seal my promise
I seal my promise
to be your faithful
to be your faithful
and loving wife.
and loving wife.
Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you.
By the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines and the Church, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Mr. Dudes, you may now kiss your Mitch.
Grabe, nakakakilig. Talagang thank you talaga sa Pinoy Big Brother kasi to grabe naman si Mitch, diba?
Cheers!
Sa pagpapatuloy ng kasiyahan,
When a single lady catches the bride's bouquet, she will be next in line to get married. Who do you think that lucky lady is gonna be?
handa na ang lahat ng single ladies.
Ready, get set, go!
Kung may saluhan ng bridal bouquet, meron ding agawan ng bridal garter. Ngunit idadaan ito sa larong Limbo Rock.
This is 5 levels. So, pababa ng pababa ang garter. If you lose, you will be the one to take off the garter off. Okay.
Ilang sandali pa nagsimula na ang Limbo Rock game.
Boys, good job for me, Annette.
Para level up ang laro, pinag-blindfold ang boys.
Lower ba, Mitch? Lower. Lower.
Lower daw.
Ngunit ang host may naisip na mas mahirap na level up.
Boys, are you ready?
Oh my God, baby! Oh my God!
You're pretty close. You're very
Oh,
close.
you gotta get low.
You're very close. You're very. Oh yeah.
Lower, lower, boy.
You can't touch the
Can't touch the floor. You're getting a lot of help.
And keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going,
Keep going.
keep going.
naging desisyon ng mga ibang bisita kung sino nga ba ang magsusuot ng garter kay Ape.
3.
May, naligo ka ba ngayon?
Ape, anong feeling mo na siya yung napili?
Kung ikakasal man tayo sa susunod na panahon o susunod na next generation, sana hindi mangyari. Pero, ayun, Kuya Yam Yam, go, go, go.
Round of applause for Yam Yam!
Pwede mong hawakan ang paa niya. Yan, gusto ko. Higher! Oh my God! Higher ba? Higher!
Higher daw!
Higher ba? Palakpakan natin si Yam Yam at si Ape.
Ay, hindi pa tapos.
Matapos magkasiyahan sa games, nagbigay naman ng mensahe ang bagong kasal.
Sa pagiging parte nitong kasal namin kay Reb, kay Kuya, thank you so much sa mga housemates, sa family namin. Thank you so much po. Bibi.
Ayun, muli ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat po, kay Kuya po, sa Panginoon, sa mga housemates, sa Star Dreamers. Tatanawin ko po na isang malaking utang na loob po talaga yung lahat ng ginawa niyo po para sa akin. Dahil po sa inyo natupad po yung dream na wedding ko po. Salamat po talaga. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, pero thank you talaga. Thank you so much po.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Susunod!
Muli, congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Mitch at Toots.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
po,
Kuya.
Kuya.
Nagpapasalamat din ako na naging saksi ang aking bahay sa isa sa pinakamahalagang punto ng inyong pagmamahalan.